hey, do you like motovlogs? Do you like regular vlogs? Do you like life vlogs? Do you like in the garage? Do you like how-to videos? Well, let me find out from you what you want to watch so I can make more of it. Roll the intro!
This is the way.
So, that was because my brother said I had a game show voice or something a few days ago. But no, hey everyone, welcome back to the Chopper Pet channel. My name is Brett. We make motorcycle videos and motorcycle vlogs here. We're going to have to cut this one really short and sweet today because I am on a very small battery life. But let's try and put as much content into it as possible. So today I just really wanted to have a discussion with everybody as far as what kind of videos are you interested in doing? This is coming from a question that Superman Kev 2001 had presented to me from the Canadian Guys live stream I did. And he asked, what kind of videos do you guys watch? Now, that was a more general topic, whether it's a World War II or abandoned places. But what I want to know is if you're into motorcycles like I am, what kind of motorcycle videos are you into?
Yo, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
What will it be that you gravitate towards or end up wanting to click on and watch through the whole video? I mean, for me, I usually use motovlogs such as what I'm doing here as a podcast. So, because I use it as a podcast, I don't always see everything that there is to be seen. It is nice if you guys call out something on the video. I am able to generally, kind of pause what I'm doing, then go back and watch and see what I might have missed. But really, I like the podcast version of a motovlog. I just feel like it's very relaxing because, especially if you have your microphone dialed in nice, it's really high quality and very peaceful, very relaxing even. And what I also like about that is those motovlogs are generally the best for discussion. A lot of times with other videos such as do-it-yourselfs and vlogs, they're just, hey, this is what's going on type of thing, and it doesn't really have much social interaction with you guys, the viewer. So that's what the motovlog is. Now, I do other videos on the channel as well. I do a lot of voiceovers as well. I haven't done any lately just because there hasn't been any real news for anything voiceover related, like as far as a comparison on paper. But I do like to do those, and those have brought a fair amount of people into the channel. Now, granted, on those I use basically the stock footage from either Triumph, Harley, Davidson, Indian.
Filthy little hobbitses! They stole it from us!
And I basically talk over it, put some labels over it, and see if that's what you guys are interested in. I've had really good success. I would say my best videos so far have been those types. Now, that might be good for some people, but other people, they want to put a face to a person as well. And so that's where the garage videos, I feel, come into play. You know, whether we're talking about Harley Davidson and their launch event from January, or, you know, we're talking about other topics that will remain nameless. You know, first starting this channel, I was going for really full anonymity on everything I did. But they did convince me that, hey, if you show your face, they will come. And sure enough, once I took the helmet off and started talking to the camera, it really made me more personable.
Here's Johnny!
And made people want to engage with me more as well. So that's another option, is the in the garage stuff. The last thing that I would offer up to you is personal vlogs. So outside of just being a motorcycle vlog, are you interested in a motorcycle vlogger's personal life? I'm not saying you don't have to get into bed with me or anything like that.
Oh, behave. Yeah.
But a lot of people like to know what's going on in their life just because that's the curious nature of all of us. You always wonder what that person's up to right now. Wonder what they're doing. Wonder what they're doing. Wonder what they're doing right now.
Wait, what? Crazy? You didn't say I was crazy. You think I'm crazy?
And for me, that will take a lot of practice for me because I'm good in this format. I'm good in the garage, but I'm not really good about sharing my life. I want to, I don't know how to even really begin on it. So out of those options, and I'm going to continue to make all of them. Don't worry about that. I just want to know what people really would like to gravitate more towards. And in that way, you know, if it's a bad day of weather and I can make a vlog inside the house that's about life and, you know, throwing on some bacon on the grill like I've done before, is that going to be, is it going to be worthwhile, or should I just stick to what I'm quote-unquote good at? Go ahead though and drop your comments below. I would love to be in the right gear and hear what you guys have to kind of say about that. With that being said though, I am Brett. This is the Chopper Pet channel. We made it before the battery died here in about a minute and a half, and I will catch you on the next dark side, because this is the way. Chopper Pet will see you on the next one. Later! Stay on target. Stay on target. Fucking a freaking X-Wing.